In this video, we're going to look at how Physiopedia's AI assistant Pi can help us write a discharge report. Let's open up Pi in our Plus account. I'm going to turn on dictation to make things quicker. You can do this on your computer or your phone. Just look for the button with the microphone on it. In order for Pi to write us a discharge report, we'll need to provide Pi with a summary of our patient's case. We'll include details on initial presentation and diagnosis, treatment progression, outcome measures, and current status at discharge. 42-year-old male JS completed an 8-session physiotherapy program over the course of 12 weeks for his right supraspinatus tendinopathy following a mountain biking fall. He presented with right localized shoulder pain rated 7 out of 10. Pain was aggravated by lifting the arm and eased with heat. He was unable to put weight through his arm and thus unable to mountain bike. He did not have any imaging done on his shoulder. Upon assessment, his shoulder abduction and flexion was limited to 90 degrees and external rotation to 30 degrees. Empty can and Hawkins-Kennedy tests were positive. He was tender on palpation over the insertion of the supraspinatus. Treatment included manual therapy and progressive range of motion and strengthening exercises. Patient demonstrated excellent compliance with home exercise program. At the time of discharge, pain has decreased to 1 out of 10. Range of motion was full in all planes by session 4, while strength improved to 5 out of 5 throughout except for mild residual supraspinatus weakness, a 4+ out of 5. Patient has successfully returned to light trail riding without symptom provocation. Patient is encouraged to gradually increase levels of mountain biking while continuing his discharge exercise program. Patient is expected to return to pre-injury levels of mountain biking. Exercises provided include planks, overhead presses, and weighted shoulder abduction. Now let's go to tasks and ask Pi for a discharge report. Pi may ask for more information to help complete the task. Here we get a discharge report based on the information we've given Pi. It includes initial condition, assessment findings, treatment summary, progress and outcomes, final functional status, recommendations, and a clinical summary. You can then ask Pi to further refine it depending on what your needs are. For example, the patient's referring physician may be time-limited, so we'll ask Pi to make it more concise. And now it'll be a quick read for the physician.